From a single part up to thousands of high production pieces, our full capacity gun drilling department can handle a wide range of hole sizes, drilling depths, and part dimensions. If you're looking for a bigger hole size or depth, our deep hole drilling division can offer high precision drilling on a much larger scale. Our experienced quality department uses laser inspection to verify hole straightness, ensuring that we provide our customers with results that meet or exceed their expectations. As a one-stop shop, working with Carlson allows you to expand your capabilities and say yes to more orders.